Hey, what's up guys? This is Daniel Lopez with Invest in You Finance, and today we are fixing my mother-in-law's 2007 Honda Civic. Here it is right here. So what's going on right now is that basically she's having a radiator leak. So at first I had to check to see where the leak was coming from. So I had to fill the reservoir right here. I had to fill it up and then run it and then see where the leak was coming from. After I did that, this hose right here was leaking from her throttle body. That's the throttle body. And this hose right here is also a coolant line. So these two hoses were leaking. It took me, I'm not kidding, like an hour to find these. I had to Google the diagram, finally found them, and I special ordered them from a Honda parts specialist online. Here are the part numbers. So this one I still need to replace right here, but it's 19507 RNA A01, 19506 RNA A01. And it's pretty simple. You know, the airbox is right here. There's a screw you got to remove right there. And then there's a clamp right here. So once you loosen this clamp, take out this screw, and there's another screw right here. Once you do that, then the airbox will pull you pull the top of the airbox off first, and then you can pull out this bottom one. There's like a rubber garnet that's holding this one right there, and you pull it out, and then yeah, you just replace. This one gets really hot, so this whole line right here was brittle and was just leaking. And like I said, I just filled up the reservoir and filled up this reserve tank, and then it started leaking. Once it started leaking, I was able to identify where the leak was. And like I said, this is for a 2007 Honda Civic. So hopefully this helps you guys out if you guys are having this coolant leak issue. Like I said, I could not find these parts on AutoZone. I looked everywhere online, and like I said, it was hard to find out these part numbers. I just loosened up this one right here, so I should be able to pull this guy off. I'm gonna do it with one hand now. I'm gonna need the pliers. Anyways, I like to fix cars and trucks, and I like to do mechanic work just when it's gonna save me money. And that's important with your finances, because you could take this to Honda and who knows what they're gonna charge you. And then once you got it in there, they're gonna tell you you need this, you need that, and you need all these things. So if you could fix this on your own, figure it out, you could save potentially hundreds of dollars. These two parts that I bought right here, they were only $20. And then to remove this whole airbox, that was like, it took me an hour. I could have done it in 30 minutes. And then once I get the hoses, I mean, they shipped them really fast. I got them in, I ordered them on a Thursday, got them on a Monday. They were shipped from Tennessee. After looking at this engine, it looks like I'm going to have to also replace these battery terminals. They're pretty corroded. So I'll probably do that here next. Anyways, guys, hope this helps you out. This is a 2007 Honda Civic. This particular Honda Civic has 256,000 miles. No issues, no leaks. All we do is enjoy the great miles per gallon and just drive it, change the oil. It's an awesome car. So hopefully after I replace these two hoses, I already replaced one, you can see this guy right here. So that won't leak anymore, and this one will be next. Hopefully after that, then we'll be good to go. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in watching anything about finance, personal finance, how to save money, business, go check out my channel, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks again. Smash the like button, subscribe, and you guys take care. Take it easy. Bye-bye.